Are you ready to become more vibrant, memorable, and attractive person? Are you ready to build your charisma and create strong relationship to others who generally enjoy your company? Stop thinking that you're boring or unattractive. Take this proactive steps to improve your own self-confidence and gain a greater appreciation in the eyes of others. 1. Taking care of your body. Embrace a healthy lifestyle. A healthy body is very often considered an attractive trait. This doesn't mean you need to become a bodybuilder or marathon runner. Start by making basic healthy decisions in your daily life and take it from there. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can demonstrate maturity and responsibility, which are attractive traits to a potential mate. Get your beauty sleep. No matter how groomed you are or how much makeup you wear, studies have shown that sleep-deprived people look less healthy, more tired, and overall less attractive. Aim to get 8 hours of sleep each night to fight off red eyes and other symptoms of sleep deprivation. Next, keep yourself well-groomed. Showers solve most problems. Brush and floss your teeth regularly. Comb your hair. Get regular haircuts. Keep your nails clean. Smell nice. Scent is a strong influencer on attractiveness. Personal hygiene is very important. Find your center. Health is a huge contributor to overall attractiveness. You will automatically look more attractive if you look both emotionally and physically healthy. In addition to your diet and exercise, meditation is a powerful tool to relax your mind, lower stress hormones, improve your mood, clean your skin. 2. Attracting through body language. Stand with an open torso. Be attractive in your body language. Open body language can be more attractive than any outfit. You can use your body language to convey availability and attractiveness. Next on the list, show your hands. Generally, when we can't see someone's hand, we have difficulty in trusting them. Research shows that a person's most attractive trait is their availability. When you are socializing, show people that you want to connect with them by keeping your posture open and available. Next, the power of smile. It's incredible how important yet simple this one is. When we smile, we automatically become more approachable, more interesting, and friendlier. Smiling is a huge tool in attractiveness. Smile at people you see. Most of them will smile back. Maintain eye contact. Good eye contact can communicate more than words. Through eye contact, you can express that you are engaged, listening, and in the present. You can show that you care about individual you are looking at. Avoid looking down or shifting your gaze. This can show that you are uninterested. Next, dress to impress. Wear clothes that fit you well and flatter your figure. Studies have shown that wearing red can increase your attractiveness to a potential mate. Now let's proceed. Stand tall. Keep your head up and your eyes forward. By walking with a confident stance, you will begin to feel more comfortable within yourself. This is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to become more attractive. Simple, stand a little taller. Number 3. Socializing. Listen first. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Shine the spotlight on them. Give them your full attention and appreciation by focusing only on when we let people talk about themselves. It triggers pleasure responses in their pain. Next, respond with questions. Ask them about positive things in their life. When they reply, ask them how they are feeling about life in general. Since you've already gotten a positive answer, the second one, leading to a positive overall experience with you. Become memorable and attractive through the way you let them express themselves to you. Next, select your words carefully. The words you use can have a huge impact on how you come across to others. Avoid being negative as much as possible. Prioritize positive words over negative ones. Say things like, "I believe in you. How can I help you?" Next, be playful. Laugh easily. Playfulness, as a personality trait, can bring a bunch positivity to your life and the lives of others. Not only can playfulness help reduce stress levels, but it will also help you appear more confident and comfortable. Next on the list, speak lower. Slowing down your speech can actually make you more interesting to others. This gives them a chance to digest what you are saying. Speaking slower also demonstrates confidences and a relaxed state, while speaking quickly might make you look overexcited, eager, and nervous. Special tips: be true to yourself. There is nothing more attractive than a person on their path. Follow through with your goals and aspirations. Also be yourself. Do not change who you are completely, because being yourself is important. Lastly, make the people you're socializing with feel appreciated and supported. Let it show that you're paying attention to them. Everyone likes it when they have support from another person, and they'll generally like those people more. Thank you so much for listening. For more relationship tips and life tips, check out the playlist and subscribe. See you!